Okay, so today is April. Nope, it's not April. It is March 16th. And I'm about to get my seeds started. I have all my stuff down here. I am going to start indoors. My tomatoes, watermelon, peppers, lettuce, marigolds, cabbage, chives, basil, parsley, lavender, and I also have some thyme. Let me see. Some thyme, Swiss chard, hot pepper, cauliflower, and carrots, but I'm not about to plant all of these, but not this. I know I'm going to plant today. So I'm going to get started. So what I'm going to do for my herbs is... okay, what we're going to do is open up that soil. I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the bottom of these. And oh, you just didn't open it up like this. Here, you do that bag, I'll do this bag, because we're probably going to use it all. Yeah, I'm trying to fill up. Huh? I'm just trying to fill up the bottom, like about that much. See? And then I need to put that seed starting soil on the top. I don't know how you do this when I open up that. Just put like, yeah, maybe like that much of that high. And then I'll start these. I should have brought the... Nope. A little bit more now. Just a tad bit. the tomatoes I have to do today. Oh my gosh, look how little the seeds are. I think that's too far. It said a 1/4 inch. Oh, an 1/8 inch. So I almost need to just put these on top and then cover, you know, like cover them up. So there's. It's gonna be like so much. It's gonna come up. This is lavender, but it's like
replant it because it grew so much.
I don't even know where I planted it.
But all it's going in the house, right?
Yeah, for now. It's so windy. I don't want it to blow away. Then it just be like lavender growing up in the cracks. Okay, lavender.
Real nice powder rooster.
I got some marigolds too. Oh, that's what I was supposed to put in one of these marigolds. Marigolds, the time has to wait, so. Okay, the parsley says the speed germination soak seed in warm water for 24 hours. No, I don't need to do that. Maybe see the rain. Okay. 1/4 inch. This is the biennial. What is this? So at least we know the lavender is a perennial. So it'll come back every year. Is it going?
It's going. But how much like you want them to do is see the pot?
I can't see the pot.
Like a little bit of water. But not for
I don't have to go this way. So this whole time they wouldn't see the pot.
And it's like just like it's got the top part. Now you can see it.
Oh, okay. So the parsley.
It's
1/4
like
inch.
the biggest part.
Okay, can you give me like just a little, like 4 little holes?
Like deep holes or that.
Yeah, about like that. Yeah. Ooh. I feel like there was something in my hair. So hopefully this will come up 4 plants. I'm so nervous. That one got 4. That one got 4. At least we know what we planted those. The other ones, I'm like, I don't know what we did. Okay. Parsley. Basil. I probably need to bring these out more too. I might have to just stop, and then I'll just come back and talk at the end of the video. Got everything potted. Not everything, but I got the lavender, the chives, the parsley, the basil, and the marigolds, and the tomatoes. These ones I'm gonna probably plant in another week. Okay. So we got all of that done. And now, my husband is back here. We have these Virginia creeping vines that grow on our fence. And they're going to try to grow into my garden. And it is March and they're already starting to try to grow. And this is my garlic right here that is sprouting already. We have had really warm days. That's why we out here today too. So this is the next phase. We're gonna have this to be raised garden beds. And then in here, I think this is where I'm gonna do like my greens and lettuces and broccoli and stuff so that the animals won't get to it because this is fenced off. This is the previous owners had a dog, so I think this used to be a kennel. And then it's another place that's blocked off over here that I am going to have potatoes. I might do potatoes in here. I'm not sure. Or I may just do, I have a lot going on here, so I don't know where I'm going to put it, but so I just wanted to show how rich the soil is. Got worms. Yep. Thanks, Jada. This is where we're pulling up the Virginia creeper vines. But look at all of these worms that's coming up. We got some good soil. This is where I put all the compost last year. All of the grass and leaves and everything. You see the dead right here, but underneath is worms.